Welcome to our new listing at Somerset at the Plantation. My favorite part about this home is the 3-car garage. Denise, what's your favorite part?
My favorite part is the pool and spa, and it has a pool bath.
Let's go look. The stunning Centex model home built in 2006 is situated on a spacious corner lot with lush landscaping, offering plenty of room to enjoy the Florida sunshine.
Let's get back to my favorite part, a recently updated pool and spa, but best part, a pool bath. The light and bright interior provides ample space for entertaining, with an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living room, kitchen, and dining area.
A true 3-car garage offers plenty of storage and parking space. This home has 3 full bathrooms, including a convenient pool bath for easy access. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate the private membership option with a short waiting list, while non-golfers can enjoy a social membership, giving access to the community's restaurants and events throughout the year.
Your HOA fee includes access to all amenities at no extra charge, including tennis, pickleball, bocce, a gym, and the community pool. A tennis and pickleball pro is available for private lessons and clinics. We stay, we play, and we live here in Somerset at the Plantation. My name's Denise.
And I'm Cindy, and we're with the Myers Group of Florida. Come have fun with us.